In this video, we listed the 5 best mechanical keyboard on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. GK410 Mechanical Keyboard. The GK410 104 keys metal panel mechanical keyboard is a full-size keyboard with ABS plastic keycup material, USB interface, and mechanical operation style. It comes with multicolor backlight, 104 keys, and supports languages including Europe, Russian, Korean, French, and English. The keyboard is compatible with desktops, laptops, numbers, and tablets, and is wired with red, green, blue, and black access options. It is RoHS certified and originates from mainland China. The keyboard offers 20 kinds of light modes and self-defined mode for light on, off, making it suitable for different games. The unique feature of true translucent keycaps allows clear display of Russian and Korean characters even in dark environments. Additionally, the keyboard is available in 2 versions, black standard and white hot swap, with only the white color being hot swap. Number 2. AULA F75 Mechanical Keyboard. The AULA F75 Bluetooth wireless RGB mechanical keyboard is a versatile and customizable option designed for both gamers and professionals alike. Featuring a compact 75% layout, it emphasizes efficiency without sacrificing functionality. Key features include hot swappable switches, allowing users to easily customize their typing experience with various mechanical switch options. The keyboard's construction includes a gasket-mounted structure with premium silicone pads and noise reduction cotton, minimizing typing noise and enhancing comfort. It supports multiple connectivity options, Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4G wireless, and Type-C wired, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices including laptops, tablets, and smartphones. The RGB backlighting with customizable modes adds aesthetic appeal and functionality in low-light environments. With macro-programmable software and durable PBT keycaps, the AULA F75 excels in delivering a tailored typing experience for productivity and gaming needs. Number 3. LT84 Key RGB Mechanical Keyboard. The YUNZII LT84 is a high-quality, 84-key mechanical keyboard designed for desktops, laptops, and tablets. It features a Bluetooth wireless connection, allowing for easy and convenient use with multiple devices simultaneously. The keyboard is designed with a stylish and sleek appearance, available in a range of colors including white, in the sky, twilight, denia, and dawn. It also comes with a hand support for comfortable typing. The keyboard is made of ABS material and features a C-Air axis shaft body type, providing a durable and reliable typing experience. Additionally, it has RGB backlight effects, making it both functional and visually appealing. With its standard interface and English language support, the YUNZII LT84 is a versatile and practical choice for users seeking a high-performance mechanical keyboard. Number 4. YUNZII AL66 Gaming Keyboard. The YUNZII AL66 is a 65% layout wireless mechanical keyboard with 66 keys and 1 knob, featuring a gasket-mounted structure and aluminum CNC machined body for premium typing comfort and durability. It offers triple-mode wireless connectivity, Bluetooth, wired Type-C, and 2.4G wireless, and features south-facing RGB and side lights. The keyboard includes YUNZII Milk Linea switches, double-shot PBT cherry profile keycaps, and a slotted PC plate. It also has a 4600 mAh battery, anodic oxidation for corrosion resistance, and is hot swappable with NKRO support. The compact layout frees up desk space while still providing essential function keys, arrows, and numbers. The YUNZII AL66 is available in silver, black, pink, and blue color choices and is suitable for desktop, laptop, number, and tablet applications. Number 5. Ajazz AK820 Magnetic Keyboard. The Mephish Bluetooth wireless keyboard is an 82-key mechanical keyboard designed for desktops, laptops, and tablets. It features hot swappable switches and is printed using pad printing technology. The keyboard is made of PBT plastic and is ergonomically designed for use with laptops. It can be connected via Bluetooth or USB interface. The keyboard does not come with a wrist support and is not a full-size keyboard. It is a high-concerned chemical-free product from mainland China, with no specific certification. The Mephish keyboard is suitable for gamers and comes with additional keyboard accessories.